survive. Hell of a hell of a.
What's good, guys? Today is Monday, January the 9th, 2023. This is Shanquella Robinson's birthday. Happy heavenly birthday to you, Shanquella Robinson. Sending prayers to her family. This video will, of course, be regarding Shanquella Robinson. And specifically, I wanted to talk very briefly about the doctor that was inside the villa with Shanquella Robinson and the others that traveled to San Jose del Cabo with her on October the 29th of 2022, the day this incident happened. I've heard rumors floating around. I think pretty much everybody on my channel knows how I feel about those types of rumors. And so I wanted to bring facts regarding Dr. Carolina Ornelas Gutierrez to my channel for my subscribers to see for themselves her qualifications. So let's take a look at that. Now, I originally set out to look for the curriculum vitae, or CV, for Dr. Gutierrez. And I ended up on this website, which is the Government of Mexico's website. And I went to this section titled National Registry of Professionals, Consultation of Professional Certificates. It goes on to say, and I'm doing this in real time, the purpose of this section is to broaden the search criteria for professionals who register their titles and have a professional license with patent effects. This delimits the responsibility of the National Registry of Professionals by defining it as the only valid instance to make use of this information. The information published on this site, according to the criteria ordered by the National Institute for Transparency, Access to Information, and Protection of Personal Data, or INAI, is of a public nature and is constantly updated. This determines that the Ministry of Public Education, SCP, is demarcated and is not responsible for the use, adaptations, and modalities of the information that may appear on other websites. Okay? So I looked up Dr. Carolina Beatriz Ornelas Gutierrez. And that is her ID number as a professional doctor in Mexico. It has her name listed. Of course, her gender is listed as a woman. And I've had this translated over off of the website. It gives you an option to translate it to English. So that's what I did. I originally looked at it in Spanish, and long story short, I figured out there was an English button on here. Her profession: degree as a surgeon and a midwife. This degree was issued in 2020 from the University of Guadalajara, which is in the state of Jalisco. And it says kind C1, but it doesn't say anything as to what C1 means. At the bottom, it has a glossary of nomenclatures, and none of those apply. That C1 is not listed down there. So I just wanted to bring this information to my channel, at least, because I want people that watch my channel to have the facts. And like I said, this is going to be a very short and sweet video. But I just wanted you guys to see that Dr. Carolina Gutierrez has a degree as a surgeon and a midwife. Okay? So that stuff about her not being qualified to do this, that, and the third. If she's a surgeon, she can most definitely attend to a patient. Okay? That's my whole point in bringing this to the channel. So, I'm still digging into the doctor, as you can tell, but I just wanted to bring this very short piece of information to you guys. And I appreciate you all and hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching.